So who are we? As I said, we are purpleSlate. We are a conversational AI startup, part of the iLink family of organizations. We have a passion to reimagine the next generation of interfaces. We believe as humans soon we'll be able to have smart conversations with machines in the language we speak, okay, that humans speak to get things done. Just not connect with machines in the language which the machines understand, the programming language, but the language in which we converse day to day, that will be the method in which we will communicate with the machines very soon. That's what we strongly believe. And we help our customers with the next generation conversational AI application, which prima facie uses language as the interface, whether it is in the mode of voice or text. We help our customers develop these applications. What is our expertise? What do we do in this large umbrella of CAI? What are all the things that we do? Our primary expertise is in the voice interfaces. Okay, you can switch from offline transcription kind of services. Just speak. Our automated speech recognition solutions takes care of accuracy. It takes care of productivity. Efficiency is built in, and we can provide the best-in-class language interfaces, which can directly start working with your enterprise applications. Here is a testimony from one of the largest pet care providers in the US. They truly believe, our customer believes, that our voice recognition works fantastically. The next thing in our where we are strong is our language understanding solution. Okay, you can switch over from a complicated voice menu and a drop-down menu and complicated voice prompts to a simple language understanding solution. Let your customers talk in plain English. Okay, the smart answer assistant will be able to provide relevant answers, and it can give you product suggestions. It can help them guide through a particular requirement, and it is available 24 by 7. I've just given you a few examples. I want to apply for a legal hire certificate. Can I get insurance for my dad? Show me the pets that are treated with a particular medicine that are dogs. Any kind of thing you will be able to do. We'll be able to do it if you just talk to us in plain English. Intelligent telephony. Okay, I'll be showing you an example of this as well. Our IVS solution provides true omni-channel solution. You will be able to create so many touch points for the customer. Okay, you can integrate telephone with virtual assistant, with any other messaging service, and provide smart answers for your customers. It will understand the context in whichever channel the client or the customer is connecting with you. This can give you compelling ROIs in just a few months once you start using this. I'll show you a few use cases when we come to that slide. And the last but not the least is our strength is also on building smart assistants and chatbots, which is kind of fundamental today. There is no website today without probably a chatbot integrated into it. So our strength includes in the traditional chatbots and also the more sophisticated conversational AI smart assistant. This, we are also proud about these solutions that we provide in our day-to-day work environment. I'm sure all of you handle a lot of enterprise apps. You have various workflows, processes, different communication methods and tools, and all of these are disjointed. Okay, today, average, it is estimated that a large enterprise has anywhere between 80 to 90 different tools that they use on a daily basis. Now, imagine all these come under one collaboration umbrella. If the collaboration tool at the organization, let's say, is Microsoft Teams, you will be able to talk to all these tools only through Teams. That is the kind of solution that we can provide. This is another thing which we are extremely proud about, the kind of solutions that we offer in this space, particularly for B2B firms. So few of our success stories where we've implemented these ideas. All our outcomes, all our solutions, whatever we have worked in the conversational AI space for our customers, it directly adds to the top or the bottom line. Okay. It helps improve customer experience, either through new channels, the new API economy. It helps improve agent or trade partners' productivity. It helps establish multilingual channels, availability 24 by 7, do commerce across the globe, helps improve sales, fraud reduction, improve service levels, improve operational gains, can help you manage costs, omni-channel, personalization, behavioral pricing if you want to do that's possible. Simplify. I said, just let them talk their own language. All of this makes you an innovation leader in your own space, in your own industry. You become not only a leader in terms of revenue, you also become an innovation leader. That is what we have helped all our customers achieve through our solutions. A leading insurance provider in India. What did we do for them? We built an intuitive CAI solution to implement a true omni-channel experience. We helped them build a web-based virtual assistant. The virtual assistant will be able to do purchases. It can help you do renewal of policies. The assistant can interact with multiple enterprise apps, be it the CRM, be it the underwriting system, be it the claim management system. It can interact with all of them seamlessly. You can file claims, you can check status, and it's just not web based. You can provide all of these features on a WhatsApp too, WhatsApp as a channel. And you can interact seamlessly, as I said, with all the enterprise system. And the communication and conversation happens in the language which the customer talks. Simple, plain English. After we provided this kind of solution to them over multiple months of last 1 year, the adoption, I'm just showing you the results on the right side. On an average, 1 million queries are being handled by the bot every month. Every month, whatever kind of query. Hey, what is my, status of the claim? Can I download my insurance card? What not? Any kind of solution, it will be able to provide. And it had an exponential growth, particularly during the pandemic, sitting at home. People wanted access to all of this. The adoption was exponentially growing. And today, it just did not stop with only being a service bot. It is helping generate leads for them. On an average, this channel alone generates in dollar terms $2 million per month for them as a channel. It might be a small number today. As an organization, they have an established offline network of agents to sell their insurance. But in that kind of ecosystem, here they are already generating 2 million per month. It's a 20-year-old organization. In the last 1 year, they've been able to achieve this number. And imagine the kind of growth they'll be looking at in this kind of channels. Next, a leading pet care provider in the US. What did we do for them? We automated an appointment process. The pet owners can just book slots through a simple conversation through a bot. If they have emergency requirement, they are handled in a separate queue, like an emergency care. And we also built a voice solution, which is the EMR voice, as we call it in the medical terms. EMR voice for doctors. See, fundamentally in pet care, one of the key challenges is the doctors need to be holding on to the pet when they're diagnosing, and they can't let go of the pet. And once the diagnosis is over, then they have to sit and feed into their system what their diagnosis was, what they recommended, and so on and so forth. For each pet, every doctor was spending close to 10 to 20 minutes on the system to try, to streamline the process. We just translated this to voice. We said, hey, while you're handling the pet, you talk to them, tell them, hey, the pet is, this kind of variety. It's 104 fever. It has not taken food for the last 2 days. As and when the doctors speak, our bot will be able to capture all of this, parse this data to relevant field. It knows when I say 104 degrees, it understands its fever, and it directly goes and feeds into the fever field. It knows the medicine's name. And they'll be able to access patient records, past records. And the doctor can ask, can you tell me for Fluffy, what was the last treatment we have given for fever? And when did Fluffy visit us last? A simple question, and the system will be able to give that kind of answer. Imagine the kind of results we help them achieve. We grew their customer satisfaction levels multifold. There was a reduction in waiting time for pet owners waiting for appointment, almost 40% in savings. Doctors were able to increase their productivity by handling 1.5 times the number of patients they were handling than before. All of this translated to increase in revenue and overall brand perception and value creation for them. That is exactly what we're trying to explain. A simple intervention through a conversational AI technology can directly result into revenue growth. And we have shown this as a clear, proven example here for you. Another example, this is more of a B2B solution. A leading automobile manufacturer wanted to democratize data access for them, access for their employees. So we came up with a conversational interface, insights interface, which can mine their enterprise data and help in the decision making process. And you can talk to your data, talk to your enterprise data in the language, in the own in your own nomenclature. I've given you a few examples what we actually use. This is actually being used by the customer. This is an industry specific vocabulary understanding building. This is something is what we bring to the table. We will be able to train the system to understand industry specific vocabulary. Show me the take rate for last month. In normal English this could mean something else, but inside this organization the system, the conversational AI solution understands what it is being referred to when you say take rate. How many units did we build for second quarter? When you say units, it knows what you are referring to. What transmission options do we have for a custom truck? What front suspension did you use in Cascadia model? What model did we build using Eton filler? Can you email this to John? Add a comment to here. Tell me what the sales code is. All of us work in a certain set of nomenclature within our industry, within our company. Somebody could call it quantity, somebody could call it volume, somebody could call it revenue, somebody could call it sales. The today's modern technologies and language solutions should be able to understand these synonyms. It should be able to differentiate between the homophones. It should be able to understand at a much depth of what kind of vocabulary that you're using in your organization. And that is exactly what we help you build as an organization. Again, we have been able to deliver proven results here. We have made them help access data faster. They were able to access one source of truth. It was not about having data in different places, people getting confused. Everybody access one source of truth. It helped improve efficiencies and better decision making for themselves. So here are a few of our happy customers, and so this is exactly what I wanted to take you through. In the last few slides, let me also tell you what exactly goes behind the scenes in all these use cases. Our technologies are built on Azure. Okay, are dependent, though we are, adept to any kind of AI. We strongly dependent on Microsoft Azure technologies, be it for our speech services, bot framework. We use fundamentally these as our foundational, technologies, and start building exclusive solutions for any of our customers. And using these Azure technologies as foundation, we build our low-code platform. I had shown you Kia, I had shown you Kiwi. These are all our platform accelerators, low-code platform accelerators. Just upload content to them, make them actionable, and deploy. You have your smart assistant up and running in no time. And it is just not about a single interface. You build once, use it in any kind of interface. You can use it in WhatsApp, you can use it in a web interface, you can use it in Messenger, you want to use it in a collaboration tool like Teams or Slack, it is possible. Build once and use it anywhere. And as I've already mentioned, we are a Microsoft co-sell approved partner as well. So how do you as an organization prepare to adopt CAI if you've already not done it? A simple thing. Start with a simple proof of concept. Get your concept ready. And we will help you also develop to connect to your legacy layers and services through API ecosystem, REST APIs, microservices. We'll be able to help you with all of that. We will be able to seamlessly integrate with your core processes. We can get you business ready. You can create more channels and more touch points for your customers. You can get omni-channel ready. And you can monitor, measure, and fine tune this, and the system can learn and grow and adapt it. So get adoption ready. These are the points that you need to critically. This is a journey in which you can start helping your organization adopt a new CAI technology. Now, in summary, last few slides, I just want to reiterate. With CAI, what did we see? What CAI was? What is driving CAI's adoption? How the customer's buying behavior, the shopping behavior is changing. How CAI can help you achieve. I showed you what our core expertise are. I gave you use cases that can help. You can do with CAI in multiple, pitch stops of customer journey. And I have given you actual examples of what we have already done and what it has resulted in for each of my customers. So with CAI, to summarize, you can connect wherever your customers are through your new channels and just interact with them seamlessly and easily and simply. Just talk to them. You can build an engagement with customized engagement, personalized engagement at scale, build a hyper personalization. Use your human talent, human capital for a much higher value. Build operational efficiencies for your repetitive process and augment the human effort with AI. Improve the productivity for yourself. And how can we as purpleSlate help? Again, we can help you build these new conversational AI channels in no time. It's very easy to start. We can help you master and ensure adoption of these channels with our no code accelerators. Very easy to implement. We can seamlessly connect with your existing legacy enterprise apps. It's very easy to integrate. Build it once and use it in any or many messaging apps. It's very easy to scale. We will help you also monitor, improve adoption, and build accuracy. Very easy to measure. These are the strengths of purpleSlate. So connect with us now. We have come to the last slide. We are open to provide you assessment and consultation. We can help you build your own POCs or free trials. You want to do a solution engineering. Those are our coordinates. hello@purpleslate.com. I am Bharat, bharat.s at purpleslate.com. We are available at these email IDs. You can reach out to us.